Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to clarify what exactly is a WordPress child theme and the cases where you need to create a child theme for your website. Apart from that, I'll teach you how to simply create a child theme without messing around with risky code changes. A child theme is a theme that inherits the functionality and styling of another theme, called the parent theme. Child themes are recommended to modify existing themes while still maintaining their design and code. By doing that, you secure your changes to the parent theme when it gets upgraded. It is important to understand that child themes are not always required. Only if you absolutely need to incorporate changes to your theme files, you must create a child theme and make your changes in it. This is a quick and very useful tip that can be helpful for a number of reasons. It's super simple to do, and I'm going to show you all the steps in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. I will try to answer them as best as I can. My name is Nick, and I am on the team at wpgopro.com. We assist you with improving your WordPress skills so you can make more money for yourself, your clients, and your business. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up so Google knows it was helpful to you. Let's get started with the video now. So to create a child theme for any theme you're using, I recommend using a plugin. I'll show you which plugin that is, so first we're going to go into our plugins menu and go to Add New. We're going to search for a plugin called Child Theme Configurator, and the one we're looking for is this first one here. We can select it and press Install now. Once installed, you can also press Activate, and now you should be able to see it in your plugins menu. You can see it here. Now if you go down into Tools, on the left-hand side, and right at the bottom, you'll see Child Themes. So what this plugin will do is help you create a child theme for your currently active theme. It's really simple and I'll walk you through it. By default, you can see it says Select Action to create a new child theme. Install a new customizable child theme using an installed theme as a parent. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Our parent theme is a theme that we currently have installed right now. We're going to be creating a child theme to put on top of it, so that we can make our changes without having them erased when an update comes through. On the left-hand side, we see Select a Parent Theme. It shows you all the themes you currently have installed on your website, as you can see here. I have currently only the Astra here. I'm going to click on Astra over here, but you can select whichever theme you're currently working with that you want to create a child theme for. Once that's done, just go ahead and press Analyze. After it's done checking, it will say this theme appears to be okay to use as a child theme, so it's good to go. Down here in step number 4, it says name the new theme directory, and over here it's currently Astra-child, so it's going to be your theme's name-child. Usually, I like to keep it the exact same, just like that, and you can leave it as is unless you want to change it to something more specific. So in step number 5, it says to select where to save the new styles. You can keep them on the primary style sheet just like that. We don't have to touch them. Next, move to Select Parent Theme Style Sheet Handling. We won't touch any of these settings either. We keep the default. If I scroll down, we just keep the rest of these defaults as well. We won't touch any of them. Here in step number 7, you can actually customize the child theme's name, description, and author. If I drop that down the child theme name, you can change it to whatever you like. Over here you can change the theme's website, so at the moment it's set to WP Astra because it's the Astra theme we're working with and the author is the Brainstorm Force. You can also include the author's website, so you can change these as you'd like. You can even add a theme description, theme tags, and even a version number over here. For this tutorial, I'll just keep them as is, but feel free to change them as you wish. Alright, let's move to number 8. This setting down here is quite important, because when you install a child theme, it can sometimes be common to have widgets and other designs on your website shift around and move. So, by checking this option, we're telling the child theme configurator to copy all these settings, menus, widgets, and customizer settings from the parent theme into the child theme. Thus, it preserves all those settings for you within the child theme. I'm just going to go ahead and check that over here, just like that. After that, we're ready to proceed and create a new child theme. Once that's done, we can go into our Appearance tab again in Themes and, as you can see here, it's already gone ahead and added our new Astra Child theme to our Themes menu. Once that's there, we can press Activate, and once that's activated, our child theme is good to go. You can see here the Astra Child, and that's the one that's currently active, indicated by this green mark at the bottom of the theme's image. Here we have the parent theme, and remember, don't delete the parent theme because the child theme completely depends upon the parent theme. The child theme just sits on top of the parent theme and keeps all your customization and settings within the child theme. That way, when your parent theme gets an update, all the customizations and changes you've made will be preserved within this child theme you've created. Now you can proceed to make any customizations you wish to your child theme. What's really cool about this plugin is that once the child theme is created, you can actually go ahead and remove the plugin. So you don't actually have to keep it once you finish creating a child theme. So right here we can deactivate it, and we can also delete it. If I go back into my Appearance and Themes, you can see that the child theme, the one we just created, is still active. That's how you can create a child theme for your WordPress website no matter what theme you're using. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. My name is Nick, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this. Don't forget to subscribe and the thumbs up button. Also, leave your comments below. Have fun with it till next time, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and health.